Hello, class. I just wanted to post an update for this week. I hope that everyone has been doing all right on week 3. I know we had a lot due this week. Um, if for whatever reason uh, you have any questions about the assignments that were due last week, send me an email, especially if you had trouble with the short story essay, the final draft of the short story essay. Be sure to send me an email because that's the first big assignment of the class. And if you had trouble with that assignment, then it's only going to get more difficult. So we want to catch any of those difficulties right away. So we are already finishing our third week. That means that we are finishing the short story unit and finishing the short story essay and diving into writing the drama essay. So this week, if we haven't chosen already, we want to decide on a play for our research paper. So this certainly can be one of the two plays that were assigned last week, Fences and A Raisin in the Sun. But if there's a play that you're very fond of, then you could write about that play too. A lot of movies are based on plays originally. So you might look into some movies that you've seen. Look into plays based on movies. You might even look into some of the other plays in the textbooks if you have free time. I don't expect you to have free time because this class is already packed enough. But either way, choose a play for the research paper. And then this week, we are going to be brainstorming about the focus for your drama research paper and beginning a partial draft for the drama research paper. So the focus of the drama research paper is going to be your thesis. You want to decide what theme you're going to be writing about and what literary elements you are going to incorporate into your argument in order to talk about that theme. And you're going to want to articulate your thesis like we did with the short story paper, using literary elements to defend a theme. You're also going to write a partial draft for the drama research paper this week. It's going to be very similar to the short story paper. The only real difference is that we are going to be using evidence interpretation charts. So the evidence interpretation charts are going to be from research that you've done on the play. You're going to fill out the charts. It's basically going to be one chart for the play and 4 charts for 4 external sources that you looked into regarding the play. Those should be reputable external sources about the play. If you have questions about whether or not a given source is reputable, definitely email me about it. I am also going to be hosting office hours again this week. I'll send out a Zoom meeting for that shortly. So we can discuss if you have any questions about this paper or the previous assignments that we've been working on. The secondary sources evidence interpretation charts are going to be based on external research. And the drama is going to be based on the drama. So that's the main thing that's due this week. The partial draft you want to start working on and start brainstorming about, but it's not due this week. The main thing that's due are these evidence interpretation charts. So you're going to look at external sources. You're going to decide what quotations help you defend your thesis for your drama research paper, and then you're going to give an analysis of those quotations. That's the main thing for the evidence evaluation charts. So, we're starting on week 4, and that at the end of this week we will be halfway through the semester. So regarding being at the halfway point, the main thing is that you're keeping up with your assignments. The main assignment being the short story essay. If you have not turned in the short story essay, you're definitely going to want to talk to me about it. I will consider accepting late grades, but because of the pace of this course, being late is going to very quickly start to affect your ability to complete other assignments. So it may be best at this point, because we're already almost halfway through the semester, to talk to me and consider what's the best option for the course, whether or not we're going to try to complete the course, or whether or not we haven't completed the short story essay and might need to drop the course. So definitely contact me if you're in that situation, and contact me if you have any questions. And I'll post another one of these assignment update videos for next week as well, to keep everybody on the same page. So have a good week, and I'll send out a Zoom meeting for office hours shortly.